Hi everyone. My name is Adam. I am your host for today's podcast episode. Do multiple cracks on the iPad screen interfere with your touchscreen performance? Then, get your cracked iPad screen repaired at an affordable price from iTech Xpress. iTech Xpress is a one-stop shop for the complete repair of computers, iPhones, laptops, and other electronic devices. They have a team of qualified and experienced technicians to fix your issues efficiently. Furthermore, their professionals offer same-day service for many repairs if possible. You can expect guaranteed, fast, and quality repair services with genuine parts. iTech Xpress also has expertise in services like virus removal, data recovery, computer optimization, networking, etc. For a reasonable repair estimate, contact them at 626-777-4747 or browse itechexpressinc.com for more details. Thank you for joining. I will be back soon with another podcast episode. So, stay tuned.